Don't mess up that dirty bathroom. What's that other one?
I don't know anything
Take up
else.
two now? How much for one? Take up two, Gerard.
7.19, 7.79.
4 or 5 or 4 of them, you know.
Sure.
12 or 12 in there.
So one next one there.
This?
That are just cheese
Yeah, but
sticks
then
straight.
can... No, but
The cheese sticks, them cheaper. So take up the cheese sticks
there.
then.
Let's do that now.
This?
Yeah, let's do them there. Then eat these?
Yeah.
We want something to make tea for them, man.
Bag of eggs.
Oh, sugar.
Where is it?
We want a pack of hot dog and hot dog right here.
It's not tang. Oh, it is tang.
How much they get mix it for?
1,197.
What is it? 2 times?
I don't know.
What is 2 times?
Croutons are things you put on your salad. They're very dry unless you have sauce. Got a dope. We have to put later. It's fun. I know you're looking tempted to pick up one. Orange. Cola champagne.
That's squash.
Squash. 6 months.
Nick Kai wants the apple.
It's 224, which means it's over the other side.
They don't have any frequent time. They go in buy fruits, you know, see.
224, but here it says 225.
In the back. Oh, so then here.
He meant 224.
224 he meant.
Alright, here's one. Here's a cool
Is this
kids.
cheaper?
This is
This says 8.95.
this is 721.
If you see there, see some more.
No, those are Capri Sun. Just pick up the cool kids. Why is Swizzle so expensive? How about Swizzle so?
Jada.
Jada already I take up one. Oh me, I tear the
Put it
box.
underneath. Okay, wait, I'll take up the Frankfurt.
Oh yeah, remember your nice juice the air.
Let's go for the not today.
No,
Let's go for the get what? Oh, let's get some snacks. Yeah.
no, I don't know what about.
If I get
Jada, stop the foolishness now.
wait a second. Maroon has
What are we looking for now? Down there, so. Mega pick up. Oh, bread. Mega pick up Frankfurter. Frankfurt. But yeah, hot dog buns. Cause there's already sausage there. And a bread.
Huh?
And a bread.
You're going to take a Frankfurt and bread for breakfast? I mean, you're supposed to do that.
And I have cheese and something already. I have macaroni and cheese. I have to pick up any of that. Now I carry them over. If I never had macaroni and cheese, then I pick up one of these, but I do, so I don't need one. I haven't picked up the dog rice yet. No. The ACL. Yeah, though. Watch.
Oh, I think they're down there.
Okay. Try walk across the minute. Crackers? Yeah, I'm not supposed to eat them. Jordan, come. I'm gonna pick up strawberries. We have enough crackers.
What are those?
These?
No.
This? Snack pack too. These are the Lay's one. A bag of ear.
Okay.
Let's go, Jada. Let's go check out my strawberry. What, strawberry? Huh?
The gallon milk. A little bit shy of 1,000.
It's in there, son.
Oh, we're going to take up one. Where you look up?
My strawberries. Ice cream. Ah! So the bone meat fresh. This is nice, Jada.
Pork belly. You know me not fancy that something here? I don't fancy this. This is not the Halal there, I'm gonna do fried dumplings and fried dumpling and
When I eat chicken liver, I eat regular liver.
I have enough stuff.
What more should I look for?
You know we should go to the giant line?
That's not a line.
No, I line that.
A line, did I listen? No, mommy, I walk going on.
I don't know where it's going. You normally cut out the noise out of it.
But in this case, not really, because there's no music around.
But we're talking.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cupcake. Oh, cupcake. How much a cupcake?
I don't know. Huh? I think I'm gonna join this one right here.
Yeah, join it. Come. What? What you want? What you want? You can't get outside here.
That's all the new one going up to to see. I'm telling them that about it. 1,280. It's a big sum.
How much am I offering them? Oh, no. If you're coming back tomorrow?
I'm not sure. How do you get the thing?
Yeah. If you come back tomorrow, anything I'm gonna get, me just get it tomorrow.
I come back tomorrow.
Oh. 60, 80 grand for a Christmas tree?
What's here? One little flat. What's it there? Put here. Seriously? Put it back. No, man. This is not real. No,
Go ahead.
so somebody in the right mind to do that?
We're up by Christmas trees here. Oh, these are. I remember put them in the biscuit section.
Seriously, at Christmas already?
What are those? No, because the guy there at the center wanted for me, that's why.
Candy. No, no candy.
I don't want it.
Alright, pull up. Hear music. I'm not hungry.
Now get one and go waffle cone over there, so you know, I'm already there, cash.
Waffle corn.
I'm not really hungry, come over to me eat. Where you gonna eat?
Let me eat for morning. No.
Where you gonna eat? Oh, this is share 15 to like 15. Yeah? The ice pop.
How much fee?
600 and something.
No. So you have to pull it?
It's 13 here, so
The last one.
that's it? the cereal. No, make it just it. Remember what I for this one because you eat the same this one. It's supposed to be 1,000.
Alright, come on now. Put the breakfast.
Leave them alone. I don't know what's changing.
No, it's not food. Put the beef and make it just alright. Put the milk on. You go in the store. Right? Try to catch these in your phone. Chicken and roll, go take up one next to one burst of peppermint. Is that? How much is this? How much is this one? This is Let's start packing it.